review natin itong top na suot ko right now, which is from Shop at Mera. It's called the Alexa top in the shade of cream and the size is large. First, let's talk about the fabric. It's really nice and soft sa skin. Hindi siya mainit sa katawan. Number 2 is marami ding shade options itong top na to. So, marami kayong pwede pagpilian even if you have a morena skin tone like mine. Another pros is maganda yung fit niya sa body ko. Even though I usually get an M size and large tong binili ko, maganda pa rin yung fit niya sa aking katawan. And lastly, ang ganda ng neckline. As you can see, hindi ganun kakita yung cleavage ko and it's just showing the right amount of skin, which is really nice as compared to other tops na talagang kitang-kita yung cleavage area. Now, let's talk about the cons. Number 1 is the size guide. Usually, I get a medium. I'm a mid-size girly. And based sa size guide nila, medium yung size ko dahil I have a 36 bust. But, I sized up and got a large instead. Kasi based on my previous experience sa mga Mera tops, kahit nag-medium na ako, hindi siya kasha. So, nag-size up na lang ako. Kasi wala din namang cup size na stated in their size guide. Also, another con is that most of their models, if not all, are petite. So, talagang hindi siya ma-visualize kapag medyo malaki yung chest area. Kaya I had to check the reviews pa ng mga actual buyers just to confirm kung ano ba talaga yung size ko. Another con is the fabric. It's manipis. Kung mababa lang yung GSM niya, I believe. Kasi, I'm not sure if you can see, pero nakikita ko dito yung yung circumference ng aking nipple tape. Which is, I think, the problem lang is light colored tong top na kinuha ko. Kapag black siguro or dark colored siya, hindi siya ganun kahalata. And for the last con, I think for me, yung fabric lang, kumakapit yung himulmul niya. I don't know if you can see. Pero ayan siya, guys. Naghihimulmul na siya after a few times na gamitin. I think sobrang na-reuse ko kasi din tong top na to. Parang multiple times ko siyang ginagamit. Talagang kung saan ko siyang ginagamit. And after a few laba, ganyan na siya. So, medyo con lang siya for me kasi nagaganyan yung fabric niya. So, overall, is it a large chest girly approved? I'd say yes, but with precaution. Kasi it's still an essential top. It's really nice. Ang ganda niya sa skin. Ang ganda ng fit niya sa body. I think the issues do sa nipple tape, I think it's solvable kapag bumili kayo ng mga darker colored tops. Maganda din yung fit niya sa body kahit hindi kayo magsuot ng bra. Honestly, pag ginagamit ko na naka-nipple cover lang talaga or nipple tape. And lastly, sobrang reusable ng item as in mga ROI niya siya. And madali lang siyang bilhin sa online. Let me know in the comments kung ano pang gusto niyong i-review ko as a large chest girly. Bye!